Good morning, folks. This is Alison with Shelterhouse here with Chris of Aviator Cookie this morning, one of the participating restaurants taking part in Shelterhouse Midland Restaurant Week, starting next week, Monday, April 25th through May 7th. Aviator Cookie is committed to empowering survivors, and we are so grateful that you're taking part in this inaugural culinary celebration, where as a community, we will be celebrating survivors, cultivating healthy relationships over shared meals and cookies, and infusing economic empowerment into our community by dining in or ordering takeout or delivery. And we will be letting people know that they are not alone, and asking for help can be your greatest strength. So Chris, please introduce yourself to our friends online.
Well, hi, I'm Chris Welch with Aviator Cookie Company. We've been here in downtown Midland for just about a year. We celebrated our 1-year anniversary on March 20th. We're a scratch-made bakery. Everything's baked here in-house, fresh every single day. We never add any added preservatives or anything that's unwanted in our cookies. We try to make it as fresh as possible to put out the best product we can to our community.
Well, happy anniversary, and I can say it smells wonderful in here, folks. So, Chris, could you share what motivated you to say yes to taking part in Restaurant Week?
Well, if you remember when we started the business, we didn't want to just be a business out to make money. We wanted to be part of this community. I grew up in Midland. We wanted to be that institution where kids go off to college and they come back and they want to come to our place first. We want to be a staple in downtown. So part of that is being involved in the community, and whenever we've had the opportunity to join in these initiatives, we jump at the chance, because we've been a recipient of that actually with the crowdfunding campaign that we won last year that helped get our business going. That's going on right now for Grove and Astor as well. So we wanted to jump at the chance to help. I think it's a great organization and something we're happy to be a part of.
Oh, that's wonderful. Like, we really live in such a beautiful community, so
We do.
Thank you. So for folks who haven't yet been here to Aviator Cookie, what are you best known for?
Well, our chocolate chip cookie is our #1 bestseller, but the lemon is a close second. It's a go-to favorite for a lot of people I see online. But we're also, I'm here creating new recipes. I'm constantly creating new recipes. We change out the flavors every couple weeks, so I'm working on next week's new flavors right now.
Nice, and there are some fun ingredients here, and I'll say the lemon is my favorite.
Okay.
So for when folks come here during Shelterhouse Midland Restaurant Week, April 25th through May 7th, folks, what can they expect?
Well, if you bring in your passport, you'll be getting those, the opportunity to get those. You'll receive 15% off your order. And then we're also, you might have noticed out front, we have our charity jar in lieu of tips. It's our charity that was founded by my dad. We fly low-income individuals that need to go to specialized medical centers like the Mayo Clinic or the Cleveland Clinic. We essentially buy the gas for private pilots to fly their airplanes to fly these patients to these cancer treatments that they need that they can't get here locally but don't have the money to go to Mayo Clinic, obviously. So that's the tip jar that we have out there. So for Restaurant Week, we're going to switch that out for Shelterhouse. We're going to ask that you round up your order and throw the change in the tip jar, and all those proceeds will be going to Shelterhouse.
Nice. Well, that is like a wonderful philanthropic thing that you have looped through everything, so thank you.
Yeah.
So as we close out our interview today, Chris, is there any last things you'd like to share with our community?
No, I'm very grateful for all the support the community has shown us in the past year. It's been amazing. I still, I saw pictures. I was traveling this weekend, that's why I'm a little tired, but I saw pictures. There was, lines on the street trying to get into businesses to get their Easter eggs, and it was a great weekend for us. So it's a very supportive community. I'm very grateful for that, and I know that everyone's going to show up for Shelterhouse during Restaurant Week.
Nice. Well, thank you so much. And there you have it, folks. Aviator Cookie being a shining beacon and a sweet beacon of hope here in downtown Midland. So I hope you're starting to make your plans about where you're going to go out to eat, when you're going to meet up with friends for coffee or cookies, and you're having more conversations about what healthy relationships look like in your lives. At Shelterhouse, it is our mission to empower survivors of domestic and sexual violence by providing refuge, hope, and healing. If you or anyone you know is experiencing or has experienced domestic violence or sexual assault, help is just a phone call away, and asking for help can be your greatest strength. So come on out to Aviator Cookie in downtown Midland, folks, part of Shelterhouse Midland Restaurant Week, April 25th through May 7th. When survivors become empowered, our whole community flourishes. Thank you.